Now, and we are in a pinpoint weather alert on this Thanksgiving morning. If you're just waking up and getting your day started, open up those blinds and you'll see it's kind of gross outside.
Yeah, the rain has already started to push in, and it's going to be with us off and on throughout the entire day before ending this evening, and it's going to be a pretty good soaker for us.
All right, so it's kind of good then, I guess, that we're all hunkering down in our own homes today. It's kind of not the kind of weather you want to be lugging all the sides out to on the aunt's house.
No, definitely not. Let's take a look at the conditions outside right now, and we'll start off with our East Providence camera. So yeah, we do have the overcast skies, the rain falling in spots, and it's going to just fill in and turn steadier and heavier through the morning hours. So it is a rainy Thanksgiving, leading our three key things. The concern here is for some downpours and even some isolated thunder, and in those downpours could have some street flooding. So if you are doing a little bit of local traveling today, you're going to want to watch for some of that street flooding concerns. Weekend forecast is looking mainly dry. We'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine, temperatures in the 50s this weekend, and then a storm system next week bears close watching. This could be a strong one that has damaging winds with it, along with some heavy rain concerns. Timing of that is Monday, Tuesday. Right now, this storm system mostly just a rainmaker for us, not concerned about any damaging wind gusts. You can already see some heavy rain pushing across parts of western Connecticut and New York City. As we move through the rest of this morning, that's going to be sliding to the east, and so eventually filling in here, so the intensity does pick up. Our temperatures mostly in the upper 40s and lower 50s inland spots. New Bedford, you're also at 52. For those out on the Cape this morning, 54 degrees. In westerly Block Island, you're already in the upper 50s. Winds will turn a little breezy through the day. They're going to be out of the south, and those winds going to be sustained around 10 to 15 miles per hour. On the high end, we expect some gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour. 60, 1 o'clock this afternoon, but it's stormy at that point. And 5 o'clock this evening, still some lingering showers. So here's the setup. Low pressure, center of it's actually across the eastern Great Lakes now, but right at this, what we call the triple point, we expect a new wave of low pressure to develop, and so that's going to help to continue to develop some additional rainfall throughout the daytime. So here's that forecast. At 9 o'clock this morning, you can see some of that heavier rain starting to push in. So 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon, it's around 60 degrees. But those yellows and oranges are indicative of some heavier showers, and those will continue right into the early evening. So 5 o'clock, still some heavy rain, especially southeastern Massachusetts, with a few lingering downpours to the west of us. All of that slides east and offshore. So as the evening goes on, the conditions will gradually improve, and we'll even see some clearing skies. So if you're up late and still feeling that need to take a walk after dark, might be the time to do it. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, dry skies, temperatures in the middle 40s, and we'll see another mild day on Friday. Much better for getting the kids outdoors. Middle to upper 50s expected for your Friday afternoon. How much rain are we talking? On average, about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain. You see this little strip of purple though? Now that could end up further inland or just offshore, but in those areas we could see isolated amounts to 2 inches of rain. So again, this is going to be throughout the daytime today. That rain falling 45 overnight tonight, upper 50s tomorrow with a mix of clouds and sunshine, and it's similar conditions for Saturday, a few degrees cooler in the lower to middle 50s Saturday afternoon. Sunday's high near 52, and then there's that stormy weather for Monday, Tuesday, and possibly even a lingering shower on Wednesday with the threat of some heavy rain and some damaging wind gusts. One thing we'd be concerned about Monday night and Tuesday morning would be the possibility of some power outages. So WPRI.com, you can head there to get the updated forecast.